The opposition India Alliance members are meeting in the national capital, and that meeting has just started. Top India bloc leaders are attending this meeting, and this includes Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, the Aam Aadmi Party's Arvind Kejriwal, NCP's Sharad Pawar. Akhilesh Yadav, we are told, has also reached, Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav has also reached the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. What we are also being told is that the Bengal Chief Minister and TMC leader Mamata Banerjee has decided to give this meeting a miss. Of course, the information we had was immediately at the close of the elections, she wanted to focus on cyclone relief operations across West Bengal. I want to quickly bring Rahul Gautam into this conversation. Rahul, bring us details of this opposition meeting. What's the agenda? What's likely to emerge?
Well, this key huddle is still underway at the residence of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. I'll just ask my camera person to show that behind these, closed doors, this meeting is underway. As many as 20 top leaders of the opposition camp are deliberating as to how they're going to move after the results are going to be announced. We've been informed that an assessment, is being done from various states from where all these stakeholders have come. And apart from this, the key agenda of this meeting is as to how they're going to keep a close watch over the counting process in their respective states. We've been informed that there is likelihood there could be some conversation on the sidelines of this meeting that if the number is going to come in the favor of India bloc, then who could be the face of India bloc. So this is an important meet is underway. We've been informed that apart from Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. We've been informed that Shiv Sena UBT has been represented by Mr. Anil Desai, Akhilesh Yadav. All these people have reached here only to send out this message that the pre-poll alliance that was made, that was India bloc, is still intact and very much going. And they're also exploring the possibilities or the possible scenario they're going to emerge once the results are going to be declared. So it's a very important.
What we are also being told, Rahul, what we are also being told is that whichever party gets the largest number of MPs, the Prime Minister will be, the Prime Ministerial face of the India bloc would be of that party. Is that a final decision, point one? And point two, is there more to it than Mamata Banerjee not coming than just cyclone relief operations?
Well, this is the sense that we have got from Congress Party, that since Congress Party is the largest party in terms of member of parliaments, and it is likelihood that since they have contested on more seats that they're going to get more MPs. So therefore, it is going to be the choice of Congress Party as to who they're going to nominate for Prime Minister office, if at all number are going to be in their favor. As far as TMC is concerned, Mamata Banerjee had put in a record that because of the ensuing cyclone and because of the ensuing elections in the state, therefore she is busy with relief work and with the election management, and therefore she's going to skip this meeting. But many in Congress and many in opposition camp are asking and wondering that if she could have sent a representative, as Mr. Stalin has also not come from DMK, but he ensured that Mr. T.R. Balu goes and attend this meeting, and obviously register the presence of DMK.